So hi guys, I am Aditya Patil and in today's video I'm going to talk about 5 skills that you should learn in 2021. But before starting, let me tell you, if you are interested in freelancing or if you want to grow your business or if you want to start your own online business, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's get started and break down 5 skills that you should learn in 2021. So skill number 1 is coding. Coding is no longer an option. It's an essential skill for all the young people. And the best advice I can give you as per my experience is learn how to code as soon as possible, because coding helps you to gain a problem solving skill. That is, you can solve any problem in logical or in a critical way. And the people who are giving excuses about I'm not from a technical background, let me tell you one thing. I'm also not from a technical background, still I'm learning how to code. So stop giving excuses and start learning. Moving on to the second skill you should learn is copywriting. Many people don't know what is copywriting. In simple words, copywriting is a skill where you use words to sell your product or services. It's one of those skills where people think that they know copywriting, but few actually do. So as per Upwork, the average salary of a copywriter is $100 per hour. Now I'm not saying that you will be paid when you are starting out, because company pays to the people who are expert in copywriting. So when you are starting out, focus on learning. Work with some client for absolutely free and gain experience. Later you can charge even more than this amount. So people who are interested in writing, copywriting is the best skill you can learn. Third skill you should learn is sales. Selling has been around for thousands of years. Every company needs to sell their products and services. No matter you are doing your job or you are building your own business, you should learn how to sell. Fourth skill you should learn is search engine optimization. Let's understand by taking an example what is search engine optimization. If an online store is selling natural supplements, they will earn lot of money if they can get their website appear first when someone searches natural supplement. Businesses can make lot of money if they can get their website high in online search result. So they are willing to pay high amount for this help. Fifth skill you should learn is video editing. More and more brands and companies are using video content for their social media and advertising. More brands are also starting and growing YouTube channel too. So there is high demand for video editors. And this skill may not even require a college degree. You can work as a freelancer or get a full-time video editor job for a single company. By the way, I am also looking for a video editor. So if you are willing to work with me, let's connect on Instagram. Thanks for watching video till the end. In today's video, we discussed about 5 skills that are in demand and you should learn in 2021. Now, if you want to know how to learn a high income skill, let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like and comment on this channel. Let's aim 10 like on this video. And also share this video with your friends so that they can also learn new things.